Welcome to the Flat Earth Science textbook. This is 173 full-sized 8.5 by 11 colored pages with 10.5 size font. We're not skipping out here. The textbook has 11 units covering all you need to know about the flat earth sciences. In Unit 1 Cosmology, we take a look at both heliocentric and geocentric cosmology, along with the limitations of their modern frameworks. In Unit 2 Math, we learn how to use trigonometry to determine the height of objects we cannot measure. We also derive a mathematical formula for the dome firmament and use it to correctly calculate the height of the sun and moon. In Unit 3 Astronomy, we learn about space, stars, planets, meteors, the celestial sphere, eclipses, EQ mounts, and celestial navigation, all on flat Earth. In Unit 4 Physics, we learn about why gravity actually makes perfect sense on a flat Earth with an infinite plane. We also take a look into optics, magnetism, learning about how compasses work, buoyancy, and the aether, learning about the difference between the rigid frameworks and the fluid frameworks of ether. In Unit 5 Logic, we analyze the logical fallacies used by people who believe in the globe. We learn about how science is an abstraction of math and how to correctly apply the scientific method. In Unit 6 Psychology, we take a look at people who self-identify as a globe earther, specifically the cluster B personality disorders and the tactics to use when encountering these people. What are their motivations for denying settled science? In Unit 7 Pseudoscience, we master the art of p-hacking and data dredging, along with changing definitions, manipulating graph axes, and looking into the reproducibility crisis in modern science. Is globe science just pseudoscience? In Unit 8 Plasma Moon Theory, we explore the hypothesis that the moon is a map of Earth. We go into the moon's creation, oceanography, the black sun, cosmic refraction, and the extra land beyond the poles, including the pole shifts. In Unit 9 Geography, we look at what latitude and longitude are, time zones, Antarctica, the North Pole, and 24-hour suns in both the South Pole and North Pole. We look at flight paths and trade winds. In Unit 10 Religious Studies, we learn about what the Bible really says and how it is a testament to flat Earth. But we don't stop there. We go into the Enoch framework with portals. We analyze Eastern Vedic cosmology with Ketu and Rahu. Then we conclude with looking at the Chinese and Greek flat Earth models. In Unit 11, Flat Earth Science, we go over the historical timeline, taking a look at gyroscopes, leap years, rockets, satellites, perspective, parabolic flights that give zero gravity, telescopes, and optical zooms. Finally, we conclude with some full-size maps and resources for your studying.